Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Numerical Control Information panel for the CAM feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now, if we head back into the actual CAM feature, I'm just going to activate that and go to the actual NC. Now, on the left here, we will see we've got this list of the numerical control. So this also, you can almost see it as a form of G-code. So this is the information it's going to give our simulation to run through. And then you will see later on, as we run through the actual simulation, it's going to do line for line as it fills in the information. Now, obviously, if you have another type program that can read NC, then this is great, because we're also going to look at how do you actually make it so the other file, or should I say how we can put that information in a way so other programs can read it. But yeah, otherwise that is pretty much it on your numerical control panel or information panel, which is this one on the left. You can find all the relevant information about what's about to happen and when it's going to happen. But it does take a bit of a trick understanding this, and that is why we have this nice little simulation so we can run through it while looking at the code, what is busy happening. It's a great way to kind of decipher your code if you do not understand how it works. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.